All right, so here we have another past paper question from A-Level Mathematics P3 9709 February March 2023 paper 32 question number 3 Cambridge, and this question is based on the topic division of polynomials, or you can say remainder and factor theorem. So the polynomial 2x raised to the power of 4 plus ax cubed plus bx minus 1, where a and b are constants, is denoted by px. When px is divided by x square minus x plus 1, the remainder is 3x plus 2. Find the values of a and b. So first of all, we have the method long division method. Okay, this is basically approach number 1. So whenever you are using the long division method, so you must write the polynomial in a strict sequence. Okay, since we have a term in x raised to the power of 4, so 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 plus ax cube, and then we don't have the term in x square. Okay, so we will write it like this, that the coefficient of x square is 0. All right, so whenever you are using this method, always make sure to write a polynomial in a strict sequence. And then we have bx and then minus 1. So this polynomial is divided by x square minus x plus 1, and the remainder is 3x plus 2. So first of all, what we are going to do is find the remainder in terms of a and b. Okay, first of all, we are going to find the remainder in terms of a and b, and then we are going to make a comparison with this remainder 3x plus 2 in order to find the values of a and b. So first of all, you will ask yourself, x square, by what term you multiply x square so that you get 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4. So when x square is multiplied by 2x square, this will give you 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4. ऑल राइट, एक्स स्क्वायर को ऐसी कौन सी टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई कराएं कि एक्जैक्टली 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एक्स की पावर 4 आ जाए. 2x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करवा दिया तो 2x रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 4 के अंडरनीथ एक्जैक्टली वही चीज आ गई. All right, I've discussed this complete thing in my previous videos as well. However, that video was in Urdu. Okay, so anyways, I believe you have covered the basic concepts of this topic before attempting any past paper questions. So anyways, we will get onto the point. So x square multiplied by 2x square will give you 2 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4, and this 2x square is multiplied by minus x, so this will give you minus 2x cube, and then 2x square will be multiplied by 1, so this will give you 2x square. And this expression will be multiplied by the minus sign, and all the terms will be changed over here because our purpose is to eliminate this term first, meaning the highest power of x, this term would be eliminated first. So all of the terms will be multiplied with the minus sign, and the signs will change. So this gives us a plus 2 multiplied by x cube, because ax cube plus 2x cube, this means a plus 2 completely multiplied by x cube. Okay, and this becomes 0x square minus 2x square, which is minus 2x square itself, and bx is carried forward as it is. And then you ask yourself by what term you multiply x square so that you get exactly a plus 2 multiplied by x cube. Obviously, you have to multiply this x square with a plus 2 completely multiplied by x, so that a plus 2 completely multiplied by x cube comes exactly underneath this, and these two terms will get same. And then this a plus 2 into x will be multiplied by minus x. So what would be the effect? Minus sign multiplied by a plus 2 multiplied by x squared. And then this a plus 2 completely multiplied by x will be multiplied with 1. So a plus 2 completely multiplied by x. And again, the same procedure, this expression will be completely multiplied by minus sign, so that the sign of each and every term gets changed, and this cubic term will be eliminated. Okay, and here we have minus 2x square plus a plus 2 completely multiplied by x square. So here I've just performed some extra steps, some extra piece of working, which is minus 2x square plus a plus 2 completely multiplied by x square. So you can say that taking x square as common, multiplied by minus 2 plus a plus 2. So minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, and you are left with ax square only. And here you can say that b minus a plus 2 completely multiplied by x, which means that taking x as common, multiplied by b minus a minus 2. As simple as that. And then this minus 1 is it is carried forward over here. And then we are going to repeat the same procedure. So x square multiplied by a, this will give you ax square. Okay, and then this a will be multiplied by minus x, this will give you minus ax. Okay, and this a will be multiplied by 1, so this will give you positive a. And again, this expression will be multiplied by minus sign completely, so that the sign of each and every term gets changed. Okay, and this term in x square gets eliminated. All right, so this term in x square gets eliminated, and here we have b minus a minus 2 completely into x plus ax. So I've just done some extra piece of working over here, that taking x as common, multiplied by b minus a minus 2 plus a. Okay, so this minus a and plus a gets cancelled out. So the coefficient of x is b minus 2, and the constant term over here is minus 1 minus a. This is basically the remainder in terms of a and b, which we are looking for. However, the remainder is 3x plus 2. So as we can see that the coefficient of x is b minus 2, and the coefficient of x is 3 over here. So b minus 2 will be equated with 3. So b is equals to 5. Okay, and minus 1 minus a is basically the constant, and this will be equated with 2. So minus 1 minus a is equals to 2. Therefore, a is equals to minus 3. Therefore, b is equals to 5 and a is equals to minus 3. This is supposed to be your answer. All right, so in this video, I've discussed the long division method approach to solve this particular question. In my very next video, after this one, I'll be uploading the equating the coefficients method, which I've already solved over here. I'll make a video on this, and I'll upload a separate video on that. So in this way, we have attempted this particular question by long division method. So this was February, March 2023, paper 32, question number 3. Thanks for watching and keep following my Instagram account and YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum.